civil engineering outsourcing is no longer just a cost-cutting strategy. It has evolved into a global movement that is actively reshaping how infrastructure is designed, developed, and maintained. By tapping into international expertise, companies can accelerate project delivery, access innovative solutions, and significantly reduce operational burdens. Yet, behind these undeniable advantages lie deeper social implications, impacts on jobs, economic growth, professional development, and even cultural understanding. The question remains, are we creating a more connected, collaborative engineering world, or are we merely shifting economic and social challenges from one region to another? Outsourcing has transformed the global engineering workforce by transferring significant volumes of technical work to developing countries. For engineers in regions such as Southeast Asia, India, or Eastern Europe, this shift has opened doors to participate in high-value international projects, gain exposure to cutting-edge technologies, and earn wages far higher than those typically available in local markets. These benefits fuel regional economic growth and foster the development of skilled engineering talent, creating a ripple effect that boosts entire industries. However, the same shift often comes at a cost to professionals in developed nations. Domestic engineers, particularly those in entry or mid-level technical roles, face shrinking job opportunities as companies seek lower-cost alternatives abroad. Over time, this dynamic can erode local expertise, creating a long-term dependency on external talent pools and threatening the sustainability of domestic engineering capacity. AXA Engineers offers a different approach, one that seeks balance rather than replacement. Through its two-shift model, which aligns offshore operations with U.S. working hours, AXA functions as a genuine extension of client teams instead of an outsourced substitute. Domestic professionals remain at the forefront of high-level decision-making and strategic design, while offshore teams provide continuous technical and drafting support. This collaborative approach fosters a truly cooperative global workforce where both regions benefit. Developed nations preserve control over critical expertise, and developing countries gain meaningful international experience and long-term career growth. The economic effects of outsourcing extend well beyond company profit margins. They influence entire regional economies and professional ecosystems. Developing countries gain employment opportunities, exposure to international engineering standards, and access to modern technologies, accelerating skill development and raising the competitiveness of local industries. On the other hand, outsourcing-heavy strategies in developed nations risk weakening domestic training pipelines. When specialized engineering work is consistently offshored, young engineers in developed countries lose critical opportunities to gain hands-on experience, which can gradually undermine national engineering expertise. To counter this risk, AXA Engineers integrates knowledge transfer and cross-cultural training into its operational model. Engineers in its offshore teams are not just executing tasks, they are trained in U.S. standards, advanced project workflows, and best practices, ensuring that global teams work under a unified framework. This approach strengthens domestic oversight while simultaneously allowing international teams to grow their technical expertise, transforming outsourcing from a one-sided cost-cutting tool into a platform for shared economic and professional advancement. When engineering projects cross borders, they also cross ethical and regulatory boundaries. Different countries operate under different building codes, labor laws, and professional standards. If managed carelessly, this can lead to poor quality designs, safety risks, or even catastrophic infrastructure failures. AXA Engineers addresses these concerns by strictly aligning its processes with international engineering standards and investing heavily in continuous technical training. Their projects meet the same rigorous safety and quality benchmarks that clients expect from in-house teams, ensuring that outsourcing does not come at the expense of public safety or ethical responsibility. Outsourcing also plays a crucial role in shaping the future of global engineering talent. For developing countries, working on international projects provides invaluable exposure to advanced technologies, modern project management workflows, and global best practices. This knowledge transfer helps strengthen local engineering industries, building a more competitive and self-sufficient workforce over time. However, if outsourcing is treated purely as a transactional, cost-driven arrangement, offshore teams risk being reduced to low-cost labor with limited opportunities for skill development. Such an approach stunts professional growth and reinforces dependency on foreign clients. AXA Engineers takes a mentorship-driven approach to outsourcing. By emphasizing knowledge sharing, structured training programs, and collaborative problem-solving, AXA helps cultivate engineering capacity in outsourcing destinations. At the same time, AXA promotes reverse knowledge transfer, where client teams gain fresh insights or adopt innovative techniques introduced by global talent. This two-way learning dynamic strengthens both sides, making outsourcing not just a business arrangement, but a true partnership. Civil engineering outsourcing is more than a business strategy. It is a social and economic force shaping the future of how we design, build, and maintain the world's infrastructure. It has the potential to create jobs, spread technical knowledge, and foster international collaboration, but only if managed responsibly. The risks, job displacement, inconsistent quality, and ethical challenges are real, yet they are not inevitable. Companies like AXA Engineers demonstrate that outsourcing can be both economically efficient and socially responsible. By prioritizing fair labor practices, maintaining the highest technical standards, and investing in cross-cultural collaboration, AXA proves that outsourcing can uplift communities while delivering world-class engineering solutions. As the civil engineering industry continues to globalize, the challenge is clear. Outsourcing should not be treated merely as a cost-saving tactic. Instead, it must be embraced as an opportunity to build a more inclusive, skilled, and interconnected engineering world. One where knowledge flows freely, economies grow together, and infrastructure is designed with both technical excellence and social responsibility in mind.